What's up guys, Prohero here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a intro for your YouTube channel. So basically, we're going to be using Blender, and I'll have the link for the download in the description below. So basically, this is not really making one, this is actually using a template. So I'm going to go ahead and search up Blender template intro, or Blender intro templates, and you're going to choose one and download one. So go ahead and download one, and after you downloaded one, it should give you a file like this with the Blender icon, and you guys want to double click on that. It should open up. So you're up on the screen, you guys want to right click, hit tab, backspace, and enter your name. So I'm going to Prohero and tab, and then you guys want to look over here on the right side. So the resolution is 720p for mine, frame rate is 60. If it's not, set it to 60 just for a more smoother intro. And then you just want to go to output, and then this is where your file location is. You want to click on the folder and just click on desktop or anything like that, and hit accept on the top right. After that, you guys can go onto the bottom where it's blank, and you guys want to have an FFmpeg video, and you'll want to click on that, and then everything should be completely fine. After that, you guys want to go into the top left, click render, and click render animation. The time will vary depending on your computer and the intro itself. If it's like a 2D intro, it would be way faster, but it's a 3D intro, and my computer, if it's fast or slow, depends. So I'm just gonna let this run. It should run about less than an hour for my computer, and I'll get back to you guys now. Alright guys, so we have our file finished, and this is my intro. So go ahead and double click it. Pretty dope intro, and I also use this at the beginning of my video, so you can go ahead and look at that. So that's pretty much how to make a intro for your YouTube channel using Blender. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.